First of all, we consider Pakistan as a friendly country. And I hope that Pakistan consider Russia as a friendly country. So with friendly country, we want and we like to have any sort of business and economic cooperation. Now, all these illegal Western sanctions affecting the economic cooperation, because money cannot be transferred. We should look for and find some ways out of this situation, because they are not sanctioning only us, they are sanctioning also Pakistan when they do not chance to Pakistan to purchase some goods from Russia. Yeah, that's we should understand. Other thing is, let's not make fake sensations about all this situation with oil and my strong position is, when friends are sitting at the table of negotiations, they can reach a lot of agreements, very profitable for both sides, profitable for Pakistan and profitable for Russia. Just understand that I'm only Consul General and I'm not involved in this negotiation process. There can be some negotiations and some agreements can be reached. Of course, if there is a will and wish of both sides to reach these agreements. What about these negotiations about oil? So I'm not a member of the presidential team. It's better to address them what happened during the visit of your Prime Minister Imran Khan, what agreements were reached there and what did they discuss. So trust me, they do not share with me on the matter.